Now things are really heating up between Chitrangda Singh and Arjun Rampal as they go out and promote their upcoming film Inkar. So who really said Inkar to whom in the film? Well, my colleague Noyan Jyoti in conversation with Arjun Rampal and Chitrangda Singh is trying to find an answer to that.
Beautiful, stunning, sexy.
मैं तुम्हारे सीईओ के अगेंस्ट हैरेसमेंट की कंप्लेंट फाइल कर रही हूँ।
हरासमेंट और फ्लर्टिंग के बीच में डिवाइडिंग लाइन क्या है? क्योंकि वैसे तो कोई कुछ भी कह सकता है।
सच को झूठ, झूठ को सच साबित करना बहुत आसान है उसके लिए।
Movie is about sexual harassment. What is Inkar about? We're talking about Inkar here. This releasing on 18 Jan. We are here to talk about Inkar, and what is Inkar about, Arjun, first?
Inkar is, as the title says, it's denial. You know, two people who are in denial of each other and whatever their feelings are towards each other, and it creates this complication. The film is based on an advertising agency where I play a CEO, and Chitrangada plays a national creative director who's also in a very high position, and the conflict between these two people, and the backdrop is about sexual harassment that takes place in a work environment like that. But more importantly, it's the dynamics of a man and a woman in today's modern day scenario, okay, in an office atmosphere. How do they behave? How does a man accept a woman coming into power easily? You know, what happens to a man's ego? What happens to two people who have the same ambitions, the same, ideologies, the same plan, the same game plan? Can they get along? And if they don't get along, then what happens? Can sexual harassment be misused? Can sexual harassment be abused? All these kind of things come out. And what is really sexual harassment? I think Sudhir has very nicely put it there from two point of views, of a man's point of view and a woman's point of view. किसने सोचा था ये भी दिन देखने को मिलेगा? मैं इस कंपनी में 10 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ। आप सभी लोग मुझे करीब से जानते हैं। आपको क्या लगता है? कुछ सीरियस काम करने का मन करे तो लेट्स सी। That's me.
मैं वैसी हूँ नहीं हूँ। I won't sleep with you.
उसमें जज्बा था, हुनर था।
1, 2, 3, 4.
सिर्फ डायरेक्शन और फोकस की जरूरत थी। उसे सब कुछ सिखाया, कैसे चले, कैसे बोले, किस तरीके के कपड़े पहने, कैसे अपने आइडियाज बेचे।
एक ऑफिशियल कंप्लेंट फाइल की है आपके खिलाफ।
We would obviously like to know what the woman has to say. Yeah, sexual harassment. if you actually define it, कैसे define करेंगे? What workplace में?
Workplace में, I think sexual harassment कहीं भी हो, I think it's about a woman feeling harassed, pressurized mentally somewhere. When that same kind of pressure takes some kind of a sexual tone, it becomes sexual harassment. And especially in workplace, क्या होता है when you are in such close proximity every single day, there are clashes, there are ego clashes, there are other clashes. You know, mentally you have an idea, somebody has another idea, and somewhere or the other, maybe that whole power game takes a sexual tone, and that's what becomes sexual harassment very easily. Yeah.
आप इस industry से belong करती हैं because ये it's not a regular 9 to 5 job जहाँ पे कुछ रेगुलर जिस तरह का सेटअप होगा शायद इनकार में, हालांकि एडवर्ड में भी इट्स नॉट अ 9 to 5 जॉब, बट इंडस्ट्री में डज इक्वेशंस चेंज फ्रॉम लेट्स से एक रेगुलर सेटअप से और एक इंडस्ट्री के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या होगा?
आई थिंक बहुत ही अच्छा फ़र्क है। जो फ़र्क है वो ये है कि क्योंकि आप वो ये जैसे आपने कहा अभी आप 9 to 5 जॉब में नहीं हैं। इट्स नॉट लाइक इफ़ यू लूज दिस जॉब तो आपके पास मतलब कोई और आप कहीं और जाके पैसा नहीं कमा सकते, या यू कांट अर्न अ लाइवलीहुड। यू कैन गो वर्क विद समवन एल्स, यू कैन वर्क इन अदर सेटअप। शायद इतनी बड़ी फिल्म ना हो या इतनी इंपॉर्टेंट फिल्म ना हो, माइट बी अ स्मॉलर फिल्म, यू माइट मेक योर चॉइसेस देयर, बट एटलीस्ट यू डोंट लूज अ जॉब। इट्स नॉट लाइक ये गवर्नमेंट जॉब आपकी चली गई। सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक द सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट इज प्रॉब्ली comparatively lesser in the industry, and you have more options, you have choices.
That says a lot about the men in the industry actually when she says sexual harassment is lesser in the industry, right Anshu? What do you say?
I think so. I think men in our industry are much more open-minded. They accept, they respect their women. They look after them, and at least us, Sudhir and me, we really, treat women as equals. And I think most men in our industry and most actors and producers in today's time, definitely, much more cultured people. They're much more educated people. They are people who really respect their women.
मैं बोर्ड तक लेके जाऊंगी इसको।
Don't do that, Maya.
तुम पछताओगे। Come and get me.
तुम भूल रही हो मैं इस कंपनी का CEO हूँ।
मैं इस कंपनी की नेशनल क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर हूँ। राहुल ऐसा कर ही नहीं सकता। मैं सच बोली।
मुझे भी लगता है मैं सच बोल रही हूँ। मुझे नहीं लगता।
You guys play an ad professional. You are a copywriter. You are a national creative director of
I am the CEO. She is the national creative director.
Right, national creative director. Fantastic. Now, ad agency, sir. I will leave you out on this one because I want them to answer this one. Okay, I'll give you two products. Here, Chitrangada first. I'll ask you to now, since you're a national creative director. Let's see how you pitch or how you sell this. How you sell this product. First, I'm going to ask you to promote. Let's say, okay, promote headlines today first.
No, give me some. You said you'll give me a thing. Headlines today is not a thing.
No. Come on, you got to say that.
It's a channel.
Today.
Okay, give it a tagline.
You're national.
Headlines today, making all the right headlines every single day. Watch it.